Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay for online shopping. It's a fantastic way to make your online purchases both secure and incredibly convenient. You'll find Apple Pay supported on countless websites and within many of your favorite apps. Just keep an eye out for the distinctive Apple Pay button or logo when you're ready to check out, and you'll be good to go. It truly simplifies the payment process. Before you can start enjoying the ease of Apple Pay, a quick setup is needed. First, make sure your Apple device is signed into iCloud and has a passcode set up for security. Then, simply open the Wallet app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and add your preferred debit or credit card. A quick verification with your bank or card issuer will complete the process, ensuring everything is ready for your next purchase. When you're ready to buy, simply select the Apple Pay option at checkout on any compatible website or app. Your device will then prompt you to authenticate the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode, adding an extra layer of security. Before you finalize, quickly confirm your shipping and billing information, which Apple Pay conveniently pre-fills for you. It's a seamless and swift way to complete your order. One of the biggest advantages of Apple Pay is its robust security. It uses a process called tokenization, meaning your actual card number is never shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique encrypted token is used for each transaction, keeping your financial information private. This not only provides peace of mind, but also leads to incredibly fast checkouts, saving you valuable time while enhancing your overall privacy online.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.